Hi, my name is Stuart Lowe and I am a Splunk consultant and SOAR certified automation developer here at Somerford Associates. This will be the first of a series of short videos on Splunk SOAR, and today I'm going to talk about what SOAR, that is Security Orchestration Automation Response, is. So what do we mean by security automation? Put simply, we are talking about the removal of the need of human interaction in the detection, investigation and remediation of cybersecurity threats, and we achieve this through the machine execution of security functions typically performed by analysts. This can include the detection and triaging of threats, as well as the decisions on how to act upon these threats and then the execution of these actions. Often this will mean analysts can be freed from repetitive analytical tasks, enabling them to concentrate on other critical activities. Splunk SOAR achieves this through playbooks, an example of which can be seen here and will be discussed in a later video in greater detail. Security orchestration is the machine coordination of a series of interdependent security actions across a complex infrastructure. It ensures that all of your security tools are connected and integrated while automating tasks across products and workflows. Security orchestration also coordinates incident investigation, response, and ultimately resolution. It aids in the elimination of the need for security analysts to navigate multiple screens and systems, compiling everything in one place and displaying it on a single dashboard. Security orchestration is achieved in Splunk SOAR primarily using apps, which allow for the programmatic execution of actions by security tools via interactions with APIs. Out-of-the-box technologies SOAR can interact with can be found in the Apps menu of Splunk SOAR, shown here. This will also be the topic of a later video. To summarise these 2 points, security automation simplifies and makes your security operations run more efficiently, while security orchestration connects all of your different security tools so that they feed into one another. Security response provides analysts with a single view for an analyst to prosecute a threat from detection to resolution and can include case management and post-resolution actions. Splunk SOAR achieves this function by event and case management, allowing for the consolidation of events in one place from multiple sources and the use of workbooks to codify SOC SOPs. Where does this all fit within the Splunk security stack? Using the OODA model, observe, orientate, decide and action, we can see the Splunk SOAR sits within the decide and action space. Typically we'll observe and orientate ourselves by monitoring our systems and security tools through logs which can be fed into Splunk for analysis. Decisions and subsequent actions are very much a manual task from this point onwards. However, Splunk SOAR allows us to automate the decide and act phases of this cycle where appropriate. If you'd like to know more about Splunk SOAR and how it can help improve your organisation's efficiency, productivity and security posture, then please get in touch with us at info@somerfordassociates.com. Thank you for watching.